When was the last time you actually went out to get your veggies?
Never.
So how do you
Not
get your
veggies.
vegetables?
Vegetables,
On your phone, so you order basically
Everything.
everything online.
medicines as well.
But we do know that a lot of people are still going out to the markets, to the sabzi mandis, to the street vendors, our thele walas.
Been a long time since I heard the word mandis. I do not.
Yeah, because
people
everybody's
do go
actually just online,
Yeah.
and ordering everything at the convenience
And
of
the
their.
heat wave, so I don't think people would like stepping out if you're getting things.
But then, if you're ordering online, how do you know you're getting what you're promised?
I think they come with those labels.
Yeah.
Never seen them. Never read them. Not
It's
doing
interesting that you tell me because that is making me curious for something.
So. What?
None of us actually weighs what we get at our homes from these online apps, right? We never weigh the 2 kilo potato bag that we ordered.
No.
Right? So how about we do that today?
Let's go.
Let's go and
Let's
shop.
go.
We are going to fight the fakes, the frauds, the shrinkflation and test what all is told to you. Who can be trusted? What the fine print says, what's healthy, what's chemicals. We will do it so that you don't have to. So you can be healthier in the thing that matters the most, the food we eat.
We are the food fighters!
We are going to be ordering from 6 places, including the local markets and the online marketplace. These include Modern Bazaar, Mother Dairy Saffold stores, Okhla Sabzi Mandi, Local Colony Street Vendor, Instamart and Blinkit. To give you accurate figures of the weight, we actually bought a precision weighing scale. We also bought a 1 kilo weight to double check the weighing scale. If the weight is within 5% of promise, it's a pass, otherwise a fail. Our first stop was a high-end Modern Bazaar in Defence Colony of the National Capital. I paid a total of 173 rupees, with 2 kgs tomatoes costing 69 rupees, 2 kg potatoes costing 46 rupees, and 2 kgs onion costing 58 rupees.
And now, let's.
Moment of truth. 0 point.
It's 2.09, and that's also what the packet says. So
Yes.
that's great. It's
2.1.
2.1. So it's
So
actually.
More than what.
Yes,
the-
0.020 kg more.
In fact, I'll write that down. It's
Yes.
1.445. So
Yes.
it's 1.445
Yes,
kilos.
yeah. So
Right?
1 point, yeah.
Yes.
And this is
This is around 5.87. So 0.587.
yes 0.5 and
So
7.
I will do the math right
Yes.
now, and it's 2.032.
Yes, so this is passing. Yeah, I'm
Passing,
happy. I'm happy. So Modern Bazaar is actually giving what it says it is
Yeah.
giving, at least in terms of weight. And good thing that they did weight
Yeah.
before, and they've put it on the labels as well. So that's
So more for your
great.
buck now.
So the labels are validated here.
Yeah.
I then headed to the Mother Dairy Saffold store, where I got potatoes for 70 rupees and tomatoes for 65 rupees. Onions here were not available, so I paid a total of 135 rupees.
Let's now move on to what we got from Saffold. I think we can put that a little aside and make
Yes.
space. Weight was at 0, as you can see.
And it's 2.01. So we're getting
Yes.
0.16 more.
So this is
9.82.
yes. So
So this is not even a kilo.
it's 982
so
grams.
0.982.
So it's a little, very.
Yeah. So let's do this.
So this is above 500 grams. This is 613
Are
grams.
we in luck, Kriti? Are we getting
Maybe.
more
Let's see.
above?
We still have the last.
All right. And this is also
Six-
more
yeah,
than
yeah.
500.
655
so
grams.
this is 0.655
Yeah.
grams.
2.25. You're actually getting more in the
You're
3
getting
packets.
200 grams
Yes,
more
yes.
tomatoes. Better pasta.
And then I headed to the local colony Thelawala, where I paid 60 rupees for tomatoes, 40 rupees for onions, and 40 for potatoes as well. In total, paying 140 rupees.
Let's start with tomatoes. It's 1.8 kg. So it's 200 kilos
So
less.
our Thelewalas, we are
Yeah.
watching. So potatoes is around 1.992.
Which is, we'll give it to them.
So again, around 1.9.
1.9.
Why aren't we getting that
2 grams?
magic
Yeah,
figure of
yes,
2?
yes.
So our Thelewalas, you really need to learn.
I also went to the Okla Sabzi Mandi. There I paid a total of 130 rupees with 40 rupees for 2 kg of tomato, 40 rupees for 2 kg of potato and 50 for 2 kgs of onion.
Oh, yes. Right.
See?
So it's 2.061.
6.1. Again, above 2.
2 point-
so
yeah, good. Very nice.
2.063.
Yeah.
We are getting above
Good.
the numbers.
Good. Potatoes, 2.04. Great. Great. So I'm happy.
Pass the test with flying colors,
Yes,
let me tell you.
for sure.
Opened our apps and ordered from Instamart. We got tomatoes there for 152 rupees. It was a special variety, organic hybrid. Potatoes for 48 rupees and onion for 60 rupees. My total bill was 268 rupees with 8 rupees of handling charges included.
So we have 516.
Yeah, do the math. 516.
516 for 1. So we've got 2 kgs and
Exactly.
007.
Yes.
972?
973. It's resting
Almost.
at 72.
Yeah, so it's almost a
972.
kilo.
Yeah.
961.
962 plus 961. That's less than 2 then, right?
Still getting my calculator out.
1.933.
1.933. So less than 2 kilos. Let me put it.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
So 1.045. So
1.04, yeah.
yeah. And we've got
987.
so it compensates. I
No,
think
but
it will
it's
be
still
two.
less. It's
987.
plus
1.04.
04. How much is it? 988, yeah.
20 grams.
No, not.
Hawkeye.
Yes. Yeah, because I'm
Okay.
doing the weights here, so.
And finally, I ordered from Blinkit, where we paid a total of 221 rupees, including 30 rupees delivery charge, tomatoes for 82 rupees for 2 kilos, potatoes 45 rupees for 2 kilos, and onions 54 rupees for 2 kilos.
So let's see. Weight is at 0 right now.
I have my trusty calculator.
This is,
1.019.
yeah.
No go Blinkit.
Why not? Let me put it again. Wait.
It's 300 grams less.
No, Shivani, wait, hang on. It's 900.
77?
Yeah.
All right.
For the convenience of delivery at your doorstep,
Doorstep.
I think it's
I
not
know.
bad. It's not
No
bad.
fuel charges.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
So that's Blinkit. And then finally, let's test tomatoes.
Potatoes.
Oh, potatoes, yes. Yes.
971.
Yes, 970, yes.
So almost a
Alright.
kg.
Yeah, almost a kg.
I hope this one delivers.
970 gram is like 1 kg.
Yeah. So I
Yes.
think they are doing with, we have got over 1
over
kg, so
one-
it is 1.071.
And here are the final results. Of all the 6 places we bought our vegetables from, 5 passed the test. It was only the local street vendor from whom the vegetables bought weighed a few grams less. And here's a quick price comparison of all the vegetables bought from different places.
Okay, so tell us what you think. This was Kriti and
I'm Shivani.
we're India's food fighters.